We begin with a major earnings report from the National Commercial Bank Financial Group. NCB Financial Group, NCBFG, has reported a consolidated net profit of $30.5 billion for the 9 months ended June 30, 2025, reflecting a 68% increase when compared to the corresponding period last year. The results were disclosed by NCBFG'S Chief Financial Officer, Malcolm Sadler, during the group's investors' briefing for Q3 earlier today. Sadler also pointed to solid operational growth and the strategic sale of a subsidiary as the primary drivers behind the significant profit boost.
The group reported consolidated net profit of $30.5 billion for the 9 months ended June 30, 2025, representing a $12.4 billion or 68% increase over the prior year. Net profit attributable to stockholders of the company was $19 billion, an improvement of 60% or $7.1 billion. Consolidated equity at June 2025 totaled $240 billion, an increase of 21% or $41.5 billion over June 2024. Consolidated equity attributable to stockholders of the company was 16% or $26.8 billion higher than the prior, closing the period at $189.8 billion.
According to Sadler, the group's earnings surge was largely driven by an over $15 billion gain realized in the second quarter.
The rise in profit for the 9 months was largely as a result of the gain in the second quarter of $15.1 billion from the disposal of one of our insurance brokerage subsidiaries in the Netherlands. The gain attributable to stockholders of the company was $9.4 billion. For June 2025 quarter, consolidated net profit was $8.3 billion, 12% higher than the corresponding quarter of the previous year, and consolidated net profit attributable to stockholders of the company was $5.6 billion, also higher than the corresponding quarter of the prior year by 12%.
NCBFG's Chief Financial Officer, Malcolm Sadler.